See, the Hindu mind was colonized, let's face it also, and colonized with brutality. In my books and in the museum I'm building in Pune, I have put an emphasis on the Hindu Holocaust because it's probably the greatest Holocaust that humanity has known. So Hindus' mind have been colonized and traumatized. So there is still, things are like that happen, they're in genes, it's not like you need to think, oh, I've been traumatized, I've been colonized. It's in the genes of Indians now. So there's a fear, that makes you cheat because let's face it, there's a lot of cheating in India, a lot of corruption, and there's a fear that makes you look for yourself, only your immediate self and family. Like you speak to a child, you say, come on, now you're 5 years old, stop having bad dreams, face the reality, open your eyes, look, you can do it. So the same thing should be done to Hindus. Someone should be able, and I think some gurus do it, but stand for yourself, look, be a brother and sister, look after you, the poorer Hindus. You don't need a Mother Teresa to look after the Dalits and the lepers, and you can do it yourself. You have the means, you have the number, you have the money. So that will be part of, giving back a sense of pride. There's a sense of fear amongst Hindus that at the least sign of danger, everybody goes underground. I have seen, when I was covering India, that at least sign of strike, all Hindus stay, and, your parents say, no, don't go out, stay home, it's dangerous. So we need to give back Indians the sense of being a Kshatriya, a warrior. This is very important. Hindus have many qualities, but they lost the quality of being a Kshatriya.